Yes, very good morning to all of you. Good morning. Okay, and today I will be taking your revision class, and today you have got your routine, I think so. Okay, good morning all of you. And today I will be taking a revision on the chapters grammar. About the grammar chapters I will take your revision. So I will just ask you questions and you will try to give me answers. Okay, I will not tell the answers, you will try to give me the answers. Right? So let's start. Let's see how much you have prepared. Okay. Fill in the blank with has or have. So it will take has or have. A scooter dash two wheels. Two wheels. A scooter dash two wheels. Okay, Antara, Anshdeep, right, and the other ones? I want to have answers from all of you. Okay, Anirban, good. And the other ones, I want to have answers from all of you. Okay, Aritro. Okay, Anik, Aritro, right? Good. Very good. And the other ones? I want to have answers from all of you. And I want to see how much you have prepared. A scooter dash two wheels. Yes, Ahana, right. So, yes, Adrija, right. So, it will be has, because the subject is in singular, right? A scooter has two wheels. Then I am giving the next one. I dash two white balls. I dash two white balls. I dash two white balls. Okay, Antara, Anik, Aritro, Ahana, good. Very good. Adrija, right. Anirban, Anshdeep, good. Very good. Yes. So, yes, right, Aritro. Yes. So, I always take have, right? I have two white balls. Okay, I'm giving you more. These children dash new bags. These children dash new bags. And the have or has, it will take have or has. Let me see. Yes, Auditro, very good. Anirban, right, correct. Anshdeep, very good. Yes, Auditro, very good. Antara, good. Ahana, right. Adrija, good. And other ones, what about the other ones? Anik? Right? Good. So here, these children, it is in plural form. So, have. Is it? I am giving you once more. It will take or have a cow dash 4 legs. A cow dash 4 legs. Yes, Anik. Good. Right. Yes, very good. All of you. Correct. A cow has. Very good, all of you. A cow has. Okay. So I am erasing the board and I am giving you some more works. Yes, some more works I am giving. Okay, just one moment. So here Kitty is sitting dash the rug. So fill in the blanks with in, on, under or near. In, on, under or near. Yes, Ahana, very good. Anirban, how can any person can sit under a rug? Here, no one can sit under a rug, isn't it? So, Antara, yes. Ahana, yes. Adrija, you cannot see the board. What happened here? Okay, let me see. Here it is no problem. Please, Adrija, cut the call and then rejoin. Okay. Yes, Anirban. So it will be on. No one can see under a rug, isn't it? So it will be on a rug, right? Okay, let me give you another one. There is some milk dash the bowl. So here in, on, under, near. Yes, Anirban, Ahana, Antara, good. There is some milk dash the bowl. Yes or true? Correct. Now it is correct. Anshdeep, right. So it will take in the bowl, isn't it? Okay, here I have given 2. Now let's move forward with the next one. Next exercise. Yes, right, very good. So I am erasing the board. Okay, tell me in the park. Is it a sentence? Yes or no? Just tell me yes or no. Is it a sentence? I will just write yes or no. Yes, Anirban. Good. In the park, Antara, right? Very good. So, and the other ones? No, it is not a sentence because it is not making any sense. Yes, it is not a sentence. And I am giving you some more examples. Akram is fond of Is it a sentence? Is it a sentence? Yes or no? Akram is fond of pizzas. Yes. Yes or it's true. Antara, this is, no, you are wrong dear. Anirban, yes, this is a sentence. Yes, it is a sentence. It is conveying a complete meaning. So, it is a sentence. Okay, and then I am giving you some more works. Place with the lampshade. Can you rearrange? Rearrange it and tell me the correct rearrangement. Rearrange it. Place with the lampshade. Place with the lampshade. Rearrange it. Yes or it's true. Good. Good. And the other ones? Let me see. Akriti, good. Anirban. Right. Very good. Yes. She plays with the lamb. Right. She plays with the lamb. Good. She plays with the lamb. Very good. And another work I am giving. What flavor do you like? So can you tell me which punctuation mark it will take? It will take full stop or question mark. And the punctuation mark we used to say. The full stop and question marks we used to say punctuation mark. So here can you tell me in this sentence which punctuation mark it will take, question mark or full stop? Yes, Ahana, Abhiroop, Anshdeep, Andrinya, Auditro, good, good, all of you, very good. So it will take question mark because it is a question sentence. This is asking something question, right? Very good, all of you. Okay, so I am erasing the board. Agra is on the banks of the river. Banks of the river Yamuna. Can you tell me? Rewrite it using capital letter. Rewrite using capital letter. This sentence, Agra is on the banks of the river Yamuna. So, rewrite using capital letter. Yes, Abhiroop. Good. Very good. Rewrite using capital letter. I want to know answer from all of you. And the other ones, let me see. Yes. Auditro, good. Very good. the other ones, let me see. I want to see the answers from all of you. Yes, good. And the other ones? Oristro, a bit mistake you have made. Just check it again. Yes, Akriti, right? Yes. So, Agra is a name of a place. It will take capital letter. Agra is on the banks of the river Yamuna. Is the name of a river. It will be in capital. Like this. Akriti, okay. Yes. So, right. Agra is on the, very good Anshdeep. Right. All of you. Akriti, you haven't switched off your camera. All of you please concentrate over the class here. Yes. So, here it will be Agra. Agra is in capital, is on the banks of the river Yamuna. Right? So, I am erasing it. Now, let's do some other works. Neha has thick curly dash. The dash can run very fast. The dash can run very fast. And the options are so where it will take here and where in the, you can write it in like number 1 or number 2. So number 1 fill in the blank will take, you will just tell me the answers using the numbering. Number 1 will take and number 2 will take. Yes, Anik, Abhirup, right. Yes, Orithro. So, correct. And the other ones? Yes, good. So, here, first one will take here, H-I-R here. And the second will be H-A-R-E here. Good. Okay. Now tell a rhyming word of fox. Yes, Anrinyo. Very, very good. Anirban, very good. Right. All of you are correct. Ahana, good. Now tell a rhyming word of fox. Yes, Ahana. Yes, Orithro. Correct. Anik, good. Akriti, good. I have seen already. Anirban, good. So, fox rhyming word will be right, Anshti, Badrija, good. Yes, it will be box or anything. You can choose anything you can write, okay? But that should be a rhyming one, isn't it? That should be a rhyming one. Now, let me give you some other works. A bee's home is called, can you tell me? A bee's home? A bee's home, yes, good, very good. I have seen already, okay. A bee's home, can you say? Right, Anirban, Orithro, very good. Ahana, correct. Anik, good. Yes, right, Orithro, very good. Andrinya, right. Adrija, good, very good. A bee's home is called hive. A spider's home? Can you tell me a spider's home? A spider's home? Spider's home is? Tell me. Yes, Andre, no. Very good. Adrija. Adrija, you have written the spelling wrong dear. Just look at it. Ahana, good. Onik, Anshdeep, Alokendu, Orithro, you have also written the spelling wrong. Good, Orithro, again. All of you, Antara. Antara, just you have written the spelling a bit wrong. Yes. So, spider's home is web. Web. Yes, as all of you have done, I can see. So, today up to this I have revised, and all of you practice all the things. I haven't revised all the chapters thoroughly, but I have just asked you some of the exercises from here. Now, please all of you give your present, and no one will leave the class until I finish, okay? Be your present, write it. No one will leave until I finish. Yes, I can see that you have good, all of you. Tarasha, Antarip. Yes, I have taken all of your present. Yes, okay, I have seen also. Good, all of you, very good. Okay, so I have taken all of you present, and all of you practice all the chapters and all the exercises very well at your home. Okay, so today is up to this. All of you have a nice day. Bye. Bye, all of you.